All right, so at the 2025 Detroit Auto Show, Ford has revealed this RTR Mustang that will now be joining their lineup. RTR has been very big in the Mustang world. I think many of us already know that. Splitters, diffusers, wheels, wing. I mean, there's a lot of stuff you can go on RTR's website and buy and put on your Mustang. They even build their own cars, and you can buy them that way. There's just so much you can do. I mean, obviously the aftermarket world is pretty much endless with the Mustang itself. We've had Saleens, we've had Roush, we've got RTR now. There was, McLaren way back in the day did a version of the Fox body and things like that. So this is not a huge surprise, but I am surprised that Ford factory is now going to be building it. But this particular Mustang that they unveiled is an EcoBoost. They did not unveil a V8, although they said the RTR treatment will be coming to other Mustang models. It didn't say when, but all we have to focus on now is this EcoBoost. So visually, let's get the elephant out of the room first. The wrap. Not a fan of the wrap. I don't like the zebra style wrap. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I don't like it. I'm hoping there's either A, other options, other paint schemes, things like that. But looking at the wing, the wheels, the quad exhaust, side skirts, diffusers, front lip, all that stuff looks like add-ons, and it looks great. I can imagine without the wrap, this is a good looking car. Just my thoughts. The wing's not too huge. It's just right. As a matter of fact, is that part of the performance pack for the EcoBoost? I'm not sure. It almost looks like a factory wing. Somebody tell me in the comments if that's factory. It doesn't look factory, but it might be factory. It might be the wrap might be throwing me off. I don't know. But this, I mean, it's a good looking car. It's got the 19-inch, I guess, RTR style wheels. And it does have a tune on it. Now it is an EcoBoost, so you get an RTR Performance tune. And it says with that tune, 0 to 60 is done in just 4.5 seconds. Now it's still not quite as fast as the V8. They said it's 0.3 seconds slower than the V8 GT model. But that's pretty close for an EcoBoost. That's impressively fast. But if RTR gets their hands on the V8 model, which I'm assuming they will at some point, they'll probably be doing their own things to that, making that a little bit faster, which would be a good thing. You can also get things like painted calipers. This one has lime green. Again, it mentions the wheels, the spoilers, blah, 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 blah. The illuminated portholes in the front grille. Getting those as well, and some interior detail bits with the RTR logo within that. So, all good things. Bad thing is it does not give you a price tag. We have no mention of what it would cost to get this treatment from the factory. Or, we do as we always have. We go to RTR's website, we buy the parts that we like, and we put them on our car. I don't know if Ford is doing this to try to up sales or what the deal is. It's a cool idea. Obviously, we've had lots of other companies working with Ford in the past. Saleen and Roush being the big two. You want a Saleen Mustang, you can always special order that. You get a Roush Mustang, special order that. Now it looks like we're doing the same thing with RTR. I got nothing against this idea. I just hope that they price it right, because price is a big issue right now with the Mustang. And for 2025, the Mustang is getting another price hike. So that's a concern. I don't know why they would do that. But thinking of a lot of things to consider. Performance. What are you getting for your money? Is the Mustang a good buy now? I would say yes, but it's still an issue of the tuning lockout. You can't tune or touch these cars. And that's a big deal to many people. We want a mod. We want to add power. Performance companies can't touch it. It's a big deal when you lock the computer. So I really hope that gets reconsidered. Let me know what you think of this RTR Mustang. I'm not against it, but I'm not 100% going to throw my hat in the ring for it until I get more details. I want to know what we're getting with this thing. I want to know how much this is going to cost. I'm sure it's not going to be cheap. A couple more months, figure that out. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Is Ford heading in the right direction with an RTR EcoBoost? Soon, hopefully, an RTR V8. Hit that like button and subscribe button on your way out if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next upload.